You win.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I saw this look on Instagram and I decided that I want to try it. I'm not sure what I'm going to name the video as yet, so let's just get straight into the look. And as you guys can see, I did my eyebrows, one in pink and one in purple. So beneath the pink one, we're going in with purple first, and we're cutting that crease and placing some pink shadows right there. So we're doing the same thing for the other side of my eye, but you know, switching around the colors. So just stay tuned. So as you guys can see, I finished with the shadows and I apply foundation. So now we're going in with details. So I'm drawing a line straight on my face, and I'm going to create some boxes, some squares actually, on my
You win.
So I'm going in with some black shadows to just burn up the lines a little more. So I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using that to highlight some of the squares. This one actually looks like a triangle though, but yeah. So I'm just using my banana powder to just set all the concealer.
You win.
So I'm just creating a little shadow on the inside of these squares to give the look a little more pop. I'm just adding some glow, guys. So if you guys like this video, you can thumbs up this video, share this video, and feel free to comment down below, right? And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend and let them subscribe as well. Bye, guys.